Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. I hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world today. Now, today's video is all about powerful vision board ideas for goals. We're going to go through the why, the what, and the how to get all of this handled so you get maximum results in your life and or business, of course. And if that's not all enough at the end of the video, I'm going to point you to some resources to get more support and to help you dig further if you require that. Sound good? Okie dokie, let's get going. Firstly, I want to say that I'm not going to get right into the nitty-gritty in the details of exactly how to set up your vision board or your vision book, whichever mode you're using, whichever suits you the best. But what I will do is I'll put a little link up here somewhere on this page, or perhaps even on the video. Give it a quick look out. You should see a link there to a previous video training that I've done on exactly how to structure your vision board or your vision book to get the very best results. So with that out of the way, what I do want to say though is that everything you put on your vision board needs to be specific. So your goals need to be specific, not vague. Okay, there can be no lack of clarity. It's got to be crystal clear exactly what you're shooting for, so that you can easily take it into your mind's eye, get crystal clear visualization to help you with the manifestation process moving forward. So complete clarity of what it is that you want. Also, a really good idea to include images of your best self. You see, your vision board is not just there to help you acquire more stuff. One of the primary goals of a vision board as well should be to enable you to become more than you currently are. Remember that the formula is be, do, have. So use the vision board to really focus on yourself and focus on becoming more as a person, and you will in turn get more too. Get real clear about who you want to be in life in order to attract all that you wish to attract, and get really good pictures of what comes up on your vision board to motivate you to. Now, here's a really important one. Always include a why. There's an old saying that if the why is big enough, the how will become apparent. You really need to have a big why behind every goal, everything that you are shooting for in life. Why? Because life tends to throw you the odd curveball. Life can sometimes make it difficult. And when it gets difficult, it surely will. It surely will from time to time. Then the only thing that's going to keep you in the game and keep you pushing forward until you ultimately succeed is if you've got a big enough why, a big enough reason to stick with it and keep pushing through. So again, I've given you the link to my previous training on creating vision boards and vision books, and I talk there about having a big why, and you can go check that video out as well. But it's so important to not only just put a picture on a vision board, not only just to do that and then put the text in complete detailed text about what it is that you wish to attain or acquire, but also to put your why there in text below that as well. And that's what I always do, and that's what works really well for my clients, because it's good that before you go into visualization and you're looking at your vision board, that you remind yourself exactly in detail what it is you want, but you also remind yourself and reconnect yourself with the reason why you're doing it in the first place and how that will feel when you get there, how much it means to you. You see, that's the fuel. That's the fuel in the tank. That will get you there. So, I know I keep banging on about this, but honestly, the formula for success, the formula for creating whatever it is you want in this life of yours is be, do, have. You need to have a clear idea of who you want to be, who you need to be to do and to have the things that you want to do and have. And you need to have it really, really clear, in detail. There's nothing wrong with modelling others that have done something similar to what you're trying to do. But always, always be yourself. Never cross over that line where you lose your individuality, because your individuality is what makes you special. That is what makes you unique, because there is only one of you. So never lose that. Always model the best aspects of people that you admire, sure, but retain you. Don't ever lose that, because once you lose that, you really lose everything. That is your X factor. And once you know who you want to be, and you working on being that person and developing yourself into that person, you will then grow to a place where you will be able to do the things that you specifically want to do. Now, realize as well that the things that need to be done, once achieved, I'm talking about your goals in support of who you want to be, do and have, those goals will naturally then lead you to the fruit, to reaping the crop, to actually having what it is that you want to show up in your reality. It's no different anywhere, and it's certainly no different when it comes to a vision board. Always bear in mind, be, do, have. Always set goals in those areas. So you want to have pictures about you as your best self, who you are. You want to have pictures about what you want to do, where you want to go to, things, places you want to travel to, whatever it is, things you want to do. And you want to have pictures about stuff that you want to show up. That's your three-pronged approach to goal setting through a vision board. That's the best thing I can say. And also, as an additional factor, you should include pictures of people that inspire you, events, things that have happened that really motivate you to move forward in the direction that you wish to go. They're perfectly cool to have there too on that vision board along with your stuff. But everything starts with you. Have a picture of your best self, smack centre of that vision board, and everything else radiates out. Okay? I hope that's been really useful for you. I hope it inspires you to think about maybe the way you're doing your vision board right now a little differently, and hopefully as a result you'll get some better results show up in your life. I'm here every day because I love this stuff. Don't know if you figured that out already, but I do love this stuff, and I'm here pretty much every day doing videos for you, so keep coming back and checking out the videos. If you want to dig deeper on all things personal development and spiritual alignment, get across to robertcbrown.online. That's robertcbrown.online. Get on my email list and join my community of like-minded people who are all committed to their own personal growth and spiritual alignment. And of course, we're all as a community really inspired to be our best selves so that we can make a massive positive change in this world of ours. And if that sounds like something that's a fit for you, and I'm kind of suspecting it would be, then I'd love to welcome you across there as well. So that's it. I'm going to wrap up. Hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day. Catch you soon.